Hello kids, hope you all are fine and fit. As you can see the heading on your screen, the simple past tense. So today we'll continue and discuss more exercise questions on simple past tense. Okay children, so let's move. See here we had already discussed a number in our previous video. Now today we'll discuss question number B. Question number B. Let's see what is written here. Here it is written, rewrite the sentences using the simple past tense. Use the verbs given in the box. Rewrite the sentences using the simple past tense. Use the verbs given in the box. Here in the box you can see some verbs are written in the simple past tense. Already it is given in the simple past tense. Okay, so we have to choose the correct one according to the sentence and rewrite the sentence once again. As in the sentence verbs are written in the present tense, so we have to put the simple past tense of the given verb and rewrite the sentence once again. Okay children, now let's start. Here you can see it is written, she draws well. She draws well. Here children, draws. So we have to write down the simple past tense of draws. Here in the box you can see it is written what? Drew. Simple past tense of draws is drew. D-R-E-W. So let's rewrite the sentence by putting what? Simple past tense. She drew well. She drew well. Okay, now let's see in the question number 2. It is given, I watch cartoons on the weekend. I watch cartoons on the weekend. Here you can see in the box the simple past tense of the verb watch is watched. Okay, so we have to rewrite the sentence once again. So let's see. Here we have to write down I W-A-T-C-H-E-D watched cartoons on the weekend. On the weekend. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 3. Here it is given, a huge crowd is at the match. A huge crowd is at the match. So children, you can see in the given sentence, you can see no main verb is there. Here you can see is. Is helping verb here. Helping verb. Okay. Watch, draws, these are called main verb, and is helping verb. As here we can't see any main verb, so we have to write down the simple past tense of is. Here in the box you can see was is there, so we have to write down was in place of is. So let's write down, okay, a huge crowd was at the match. At the match. As place is not there, I have written here. Okay, let's write down once again. Let's see. Take another color. A huge crowd was at the match. At the match. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Here it is written, I travel to Hyderabad regularly. I travel to Hyderabad regularly. In the box, here the past simple past tense of travel is traveled. So we have to write down. Let's see what is written. I travel to Hyderabad regularly. I travel to Hyderabad regularly. Here we have to write down I traveled to, then we have to continue the rest words we have to write down here. Okay, I travel to Hyderabad regularly. Okay, I travel to Hyderabad regularly. Okay children. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Here it is written, this train goes to Chennai. This train goes to Chennai. Let's see what is written here. The simple past tense of goes is went. Okay, so we have to write down what? We have to choose the simple past tense went, and we have to write down here he. Let's write down here from here. Okay, we are discussing about question number 5. Yes, so let's start. This train went to Chennai. Went to Chennai. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Here it is written, he drops the book on the floor. So children, as you know that simple past tense of drop is dropped. That means we have to double the last letter here, and we have to add ed to the word. So we get the simple past tense of drop is dropped. Okay, here you can see here in the box, dropped. Okay, so we have to write down here he drops. He dropped. In place of drops we have to write down dropped. He dropped. Let's write it properly. He dropped the book on the floor. On the floor. Okay, now in question number 7 it is given, the sky becomes dark in the evening. So here in the box you can see here the verb is becomes. So we have to choose the simple past tense of becomes, and that one is became. Okay, that one is became. So we have to write down here what? We have to write down the sky. Let's choose the blackboard so that you can see properly. Okay, the sky became dark in the evening. The sky became dark in the evening. The sky became past simple past tense of the verb becomes, we get the word, new word, became. The sky became what? Became dark in the evening. Became dark in the evening. The sky became dark in the evening. Okay. So here the past simple past tense of become is became. Okay. Now let's see the next one. What is there? Mita and Rama act in films together. Mita and Rama act in films together. Okay. So here you can see, children, the verb given here is act. So we have to choose the simple past tense. That one is acted. We have to only add ed to the given verbs. You can see in the box it is written acted. Okay, we have to choose that one. Okay, now let's see what is written here. Mita and Rama act in films together. Mita and Rama, Mita and Rama acted in the film, acted in the film together, together. Okay, acted in the film together. Past tense of act is acted. Okay, now let's see what is written in 9 number. In 9 number it is written, the grasshopper hops from flower to flower. The grasshopper hops, the grasshopper hops from flower to flower. Here the verb is hops. Then the past tense of hop, that means here the rule. Which one is applicable here? That doubling one. We have to double the last letter of the given verb. Here p is there, so we have to add another p, then ed to the given verb. So we get the past tense of hopes is hoped. You can see in the box also what is written here. Okay, now let's see. Here we have to write down, the grasshopper hopped from flower to flower. Let's write down on the blackboard. The grasshopper hopped from flower to flower. The grasshopper hopped from flower to flower. Okay, so here the past tense of simple past tense of hope is hoped. The grasshopper hopped from flower to flower. Okay, now the next one, that means last one. Here it is written, I see bees in my garden. I see bees in my garden. Here the verb is see, and you all know the simple past tense of see is SAW. So, okay, let's see in the box as also. Here it is written, see, simple past tense of see is saw. So we have to rewrite the sentence. Let's use the blackboard. I saw bees in my garden. Okay, children. See, the simple past tense of see is saw. Okay. Okay, now we had already discussed question number A, and now today we discussed question number B. Okay children, so for today this much is enough. So you have to uh, see the video, watch the video again and again, so that you will be able to understand the rules and how to use the simple past tense in the sentence. Okay children, if you will face any difficulties, then watch the video again and again, so that you can understand each and everything about the simple past tense. Okay children, so that's all for today. Thank you all.